Hi, Bend Young Professionals. My name is Lee Weinstein, and I'm so looking forward to joining you at Tethero on February 13th to teach you about intentional life planning. So what is intentional life planning? It's basically about putting together a strategic plan for your life. You've only got so much time in this wonderful, precious life that we've been given between now and the day you die. What do you want to get done in those years in between? What we're going to give you at the end of this is a written strategic life plan that you can hang in your home to make sure that you get done the things that you want to get done while you're here on this planet with us all. So who am I? I'm a Nike person. I worked at Nike for 15 years. I started my own PR agency 12 years ago. We've been working for Facebook in Prineville for 10. And I'm also a native Oregonian, so grew up going to Bend and lots of places in Eastern Oregon. So what are we gonna do? We have plans for everything in our lives. We have plans for our businesses, we have marketing plans, we have product launch plans. Why don't we have one for our life? Most people spend more time planning a 2-week vacation than they do their life. That's what this is all about. My wife and I invented this process 20 years ago. And if you looked at our first intentional life plan and looked back on what we had there to get done, our life's goals, we've gotten 90% of those things done over time, and a lot more ever since. 90% of Americans do not have a written plan for their lives. Why not? We just can't go mindlessly through life thinking, well, what do I want to do now? No, we want you to think, hey, I want to go here. I want to do this. I want to own a home. I want to change jobs. If you don't have a plan, how are you going to get there? That's what we're going to work on. So the Chamber is going to send you some homework in advance. We want you to answer some questions. That's step 1 of our process. We're going to do step 2 together, which is starting to build your visual intentional life plan. And then we'll talk to you about steps 3 and 4 about how to stay on plan, how to build action plans for that life plan. Here's the key thing. You don't want to be laying on your deathbed later on in life saying, oh, I wish I would have gone to Paris. No, we want to get you to Paris and a whole lot more. So please join us on the 13th. We'll see you there. Thanks.